If you're looking for a Coursera special offer, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to access the latest Coursera Plus deal and what you get with it. I also have a link in the description that gives access to the current Coursera Plus discount, and the savings are usually applied automatically when you sign up. Let's go through the process step by step. First, click the link in the description below. This will take you directly to the Coursera Plus page with the latest promotion. Next, sign into your existing Coursera account or create a new account if you're a first-time user. After that, choose the Coursera Plus plan you want. Personally, I think the annual plan provides the best value because it gives you the biggest long-term savings. Right now, eligible new subscribers can get the annual plan for $239 instead of the regular $399. That's less than $20 per month for unlimited learning throughout the year. Once you continue to checkout, the discount is typically applied automatically, so in most cases, there is no need to enter a coupon code manually. With Coursera Plus, you'll get access to more than 10,000 courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certificates from leading companies and universities like Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, Duke University, and many more. Whether you're learning AI, Python, business, data science, cybersecurity, or marketing, the subscription can save you money if you plan to take multiple courses during the year. Just remember that special offers are only available for a limited time, so the current discounted price may not last forever. If you want to lock in the latest Coursera Plus deal, check out the link in the description below. It will take you directly to the current offer before the promotion ends.